How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to talk to you guys just a little bit about humidifiers and these heaters and that heater back there. So you can see this is basically all the heat that I have in my house. I have a few of these vent-free gas heaters, and I also have a wood burner that you see over my shoulder here. And then I ended up picking up a dehumidifier. I have it says 50 pint, 70 pint. I'm not real clear on understanding these dehumidifiers yet, but I did want to talk to you guys just a little bit about what I've done and what brought me to the point that I needed to get one of these dehumidifiers. We actually just did a video not too long ago. We installed another vent-free gas heater in the living room. For many years I had this little gas heater here, and then one I got back on the other side of the house, in the house on the other side, and it just wasn't enough heat to actually heat my house. And I know these are supposed to be used as like a secondary heat or emergency heat, but we're using it to heat our house because a furnace is expensive, especially when you have a house that's never had a furnace in it. So we ended up putting 3 of these in here, and over the years, we would burn the wood burner, and then we would burn these little gas heaters, and we never had problem with moisture. Now, when I did the last install video, somebody talked about moisture, getting a lot of moisture off of them, and I thought that that was only propane is where you got the moisture, not really the natural gas. But obviously you get a lot of moisture off the natural gas too, the vent-free heater. I didn't realize that at the time. I didn't know, because we only had 2 heaters, and we would be burning that wood burner at the same time. A lot of times that wood burner would be going and these heaters would be going. So any moisture that this guy put off, that thing in there was sucking it up. So when you got the wood burner going, you need the moisture. When you got the gas heaters going, you need to get rid of the moisture. So that's what brought me to buying a dehumidifier. So I'll tell you what we did. We got up one morning and we noticed that the windows on the inside had a little bit of water on them. All the windows had a little bit of water on them, and we couldn't understand why. And then we got to thinking, we put the other gas heater in, maybe it's coming from that. So that's what made us go buy the dehumidifier. This is, like I said, it says 50 pint, and then it's got 70 pint. It's actually, like I said, I don't know much about them, but I do know one thing. With this guy on, I don't have any moisture on the windows. There's no moisture at all on the windows, and I forgot a lot of water out of this thing. I mean a lot of water. So actually there's enough water in there, I probably could flush my commode with it. I probably even could drink it. That's a good question. I wonder if I could what if you could drink that? I don't see why you couldn't. It's out of the air. Well, maybe we'll try that one day. See if we can make a video on drinking some dehumidifier water. But anyhow, this thing is pretty nice, and it's got some filters on it, which filtrates the air a little bit, keeps it a little bit clean. And it definitely does a very, very good job on taking the moisture out of the air. So I'm going to leave a link in the description down below on Amazon. So you guys, if you're interested in a dehumidifier and you're burning these heaters, you need to get some out, you can click on there and see if you can find something you like. Now, I can't really tell you exactly what size you need, because it's going to go by how big an area you want to take the moisture out of. If you want to put one of these in your basement, you might need a certain size. I think it goes by cubic feet. And this one here, I think this one here will do up to 1,000 square feet. This one here, it'll do up to 1,000 square feet. It's marked on the box 50, 70, and that's what this one is. So this one will do up to 1,000 square feet, or 20 foot by 50 foot area, I guess. So this is, my house is only 800 and some square feet, so I don't have a very big house. And this thing here literally takes all the moisture out of the air, and it does a very well, it does a very good job. Alright, now for the noise that this thing puts off, it's just basically the same as running a small, it sounds just about like a window air conditioner, maybe not quite as loud as a window air conditioner. It's not that bad. It's sitting here, we watch TV just in the other room there, and it doesn't really bother us that much. I mean, you could hear it, but it's nothing unbearable for sure. It does make a little bit of noise, but nothing too bad. And if we didn't like it, we could always move it across the room to maybe quiet it down just a little bit more. But for what it does for us, it's definitely worth it. Okay, this is just a little close-up of the machine. It does have a little handle on it. It's got some filters on it. Basically, I'm not really sure on running this thing. I basically just put it on automatic, and the thing does its job. It least weighs that container in the bottom, this little container down here, which is actually pretty easy to get in and out. This thing is usually full about 24 hours, maybe not even 24 hours, and that thing is full. So, and you just gotta, now that's gotta snap in there, and I'll have to use both hands to get it in there. But that is my dehumidifier. That's the one I got, and it's a good little machine. I don't know how long it's going to last, and I will do a review on this guy once it's, you know, I've had it for a while. I don't like doing reviews until I know how something's going to run. So, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below on Amazon to a place where you can go and you can look through the different dehumidifiers. Some of them have good reviews, some of them have bad reviews. Actually, this one here didn't have great reviews on it, but I really don't, the way I look at reviews is the majority rules. If there's more good reviews than bad reviews, then I'll give it a try. It does have a warranty on it. It's got a 2-year warranty on it, so if it lasts 2 years, it's got to be pretty decent. So anyhow, I would like to tell you guys, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or comment if you'd like. Till next time.